everyone, so in this video I'm just gonna teach you very easy 2 minutes curls. So as you can see, my hair are pretty flat and straight, so for these curls you need a hair tie and a comb. So I am just tying my hair in a high ponytail just like this, and yeah, just simply doing pony. You don't have to be really neat, just do a normal usual pony. And once my pony is done, I'm gonna take a few sections, and you will also need some grippers like clutchers or alligator clips. So I'm using these alligator clips. So I'm just gonna take one section just like this, about in half an inch, and I'm taking my straightening iron. This is Irresistible Me straightening iron, and I'm starting to curl my hair just like this. Yeah, and I'm pulling it down, and you'll see that my curls are forming like this. So my hair are hot, so I'm just gonna grab them quickly, and I'm just gonna roll it onto my fingers, and I'm just gonna clip it with alligator clip, and I'm just gonna let them cool by their own. And I'm gonna do same steps with other sections as well. I'm just gonna curl with straightening iron just like this, and after that I'm just gonna take this section and I will roll that section onto my fingers just like this, and then I'll clip them on my forehead. So I'll be doing all of my hair just like this, and I'll be back soon. So once all the hair is done, I'm just gonna wait for a while to let them cool, and meanwhile I can do my makeup, do whatever you want, but I prefer that you can do your makeup after doing your hair, and then spray a little bit of hairspray onto your hair just to make them set more. And I'm gonna feel my hair whether they're cool or not, and once they're cool I'm gonna start opening my hair, and yeah, you'll see my curls are pretty intact, and they will be intact the same way for pretty long time because I let them cool while they're pinned up. And now I'm just gonna open my ponytail as well, and you'll see instantly my hair are more voluminous, they are curled. This trick is pretty easy if you're on run and you want to curl your hair in like 2-3 minutes, and yes, it does gives you gorgeous results. This is my go-to curling routine when I'm in hurry, and yeah, I love curling my hair like this. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you're new to my channel then do subscribe, help me grow. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay beautiful, stay healthy.